Here we are at the waterfall. I turned it full blast. And the fish are loving it. There are no eggs floating around up here. So that answers my question about the eggs getting circulated. I would think that the eggs would get stuck in those shelter packs. So they want the air. So the change in temperature caused them to spawn, but it also cut down on their air. So I'm going to have to run this on high while it's up to, I don't know, it's supposed to be up to 99 maybe. I was outside today in the garden, but I didn't check I haven't checked the temperature of the water to see what it is. I could do that, duh. But I can't change the temperature of the water. Oh dear. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Like Mingo, my big boy. But they're not all here. Well, see, there's others down there where you can see the water moving. That's the water intake at that end. So they're hanging down there too. So I just thought I'd come out here and give you a shot of what's going on at the waterfall. That'd be a good title for this video. At the waterfall. They don't look to be spawning. They're just breathing. Okay, over and out.